I see the kitchen goods that my mother praised endlessly, and the kitchen instantly became more advanced. 10th place. This flip-top storage basket in my kitchen is simply too useful. It can be hung on the wall without drilling, and it can store things like ginger and garlic that we can't finish eating. Even cinnamon and star anise. The transparent design makes it easy to see everything inside. 9th place. Before, the dishwashing liquid was piled up next to the sink, which made cleaning very inconvenient. But this rack is great. The buckle size can be adjusted. It's very firm, and even if you press hard, the bottle won't fall off the bottom. No more piling things on the ground. 8th place. This cling film holder comes with a non-drilling installation, and the top has a sealed cover. The bottom has a soft rubber draw mouth for smooth extraction. It can be placed next to the refrigerator and is very convenient for keeping leftovers fresh. 7th place. In the summer, it's difficult to preserve food, but this small vegetable basket with a grid design is great. It's not only ventilated and breathable, but it can also prevent flies and mosquitoes. It can also be used as a fruit and vegetable basket. 6th place. I used to use those jars that couldn't be scooped to the bottom, and they were easy to clump. But this one is great. Press it once and you get 0.5 grams. So you can accurately control the amount of seasoning. You don't have to worry about making your dishes too salty or too bland anymore. 5th place. Before, I could only put one bowl in the pot, but with this egg-shaped design, I can put in several bowls at once. The surface is coated with a non-stick layer, which makes cleaning easy. When not in use, it can be stacked for storage. 4th place. How long has it been since you changed your kitchen cloth? Prolonged use can breed a lot of bacteria, which directly affects the health of your family today. I recommend this dishwashing cloth, which is not only affordable, but also durable enough to last for a year. For the sake of your family's health, remember to change and disinfect your dishwashing cloth frequently. 3rd place. After using a pot. Lid. It must be hung on the wall to make it easier to clean the countertop. Just prepare a few of these small racks that can be hung without drilling. They can hold lids of different sizes. The bottom of the rack has a water tray, so water won't drip onto the countertop. It's very convenient. 2nd place. The secret to my clean and tidy kitchen is this dual-use wall-mounted cloth rack. Hang the cloth on the top and put the sponge and steel wire ball on the bottom. It won't drip water onto the countertop, making the kitchen look much neater. 1st place. This is the essential 3-piece set for preventing burns in the kitchen. Use the bowl clip for steaming eggs and the plate clip for serving hot dishes. Now let's find out how to get the product in the video. There are 3 different ways to get the product. The first method is to buy from one of the stores that sell tools and household appliances, scattered around or near us. The second method, Facebook pages for selling home appliances. The third method, through websites that sell home appliances and ship them to different countries of the world. The following are the most important of these websites: Amazon and eBay and Walmart and Bestbuy, also Target and Lowe's. I will leave you the electronic addresses of these sites in the description of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alerts button so that you receive notification or alert of each new video. Also, do not forget to like the video.